I'll show you how to lock or freeze your PayPal card in under 10 seconds, providing step-by-step instructions for both the app and desktop website. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. If you suspect your card is missing, the fastest way to secure your funds is through the PayPal mobile app. Here's how. Open the PayPal app and tap the Wallet or Accounts tab at the bottom. Tap on your PayPal debit card image. Select Manage Card. Toggle the Lock Card switch to On. The moment you do this, the card image in your app will change to a locked status. This is an instantaneous block. If someone tries to swipe your card at a terminal or use it for an online purchase, the transaction will be declined immediately. The best part? If you find your card under the car seat 10 minutes later, you just toggle it back to off and you're back in business. What if your phone is missing along with your wallet? You can still lock your card from any computer. Log into your account at paypal.com. Navigate to your wallet. From the list of payment methods, click on your debit card. Choose the option to lock your card. This ensures that even if the thief has your physical card and your phone, they can't spend a dime of your balance as long as you can get to a web browser. If you are 100% sure the card is gone or you see fraudulent charges that you didn't authorize, you must select Report Card Lost, Stolen, or Damaged in the Manage Card menu. Reporting it stolen will permanently deactivate both the physical plastic and your digital card in Apple or Google Wallet. PayPal will then issue you a new card with a new number and CVV, which usually arrives in 7 to 10 business days. Before you lock it, just remember to check if you have any major one-time payments scheduled today, as the lock will stop those from clearing. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.